Cheers. Oh,
Welcome.
sorry.
No,
Start over.
it's good.
I'm sorry.
This is already going great.
Not my place. I'm sorry. Wow.
Shut it, Shannon. Welcome back to Cook It Real Good. Today I have a special guest, Miss Kiwi McKaylee Brewer and her mama, Shannon, and we are going to be making white bean pumpkin turkey chili that's perfect for Sunday football. Oh, who let that girl in here? Intruder alert. Intruder alert. Perfect for Sunday football, especially for the Chiefs, and it's awesome. We made it on Halloween last year, and it's so delicious.
Okay, so the first step is we are going to brown the ground turkey meat. And if you cook it in an instapot, it could be done within 30 minutes, but if you don't have one of those, or if you don't want to go that route, you could also put one in a crock pot for 4 hours.
We're back. Okay. So today, whenever Shannon came over, she said that she had a theory, and you know how on Cook It Real Good we like to blow your mind. Mm-hmm. So we're gonna give it a shot today. Tell them the theory.
So they say, someone says, I don't know, you take an onion and you put it in the freezer for like 5 minutes and you cut it up. It will make you won't cry. So let's give it a shot. In fact, you just
Get it. Watch those fingies.
I got it.
Missy.
Jamie needs new knives. I highly suggest you use a better knife.
Watch your thumb.
Okay.
If she wasn't here, you would probably
How are you
be dead
feeling?
by now.
How's the eyeballs
I'm
feeling?
honestly
Literally
no tears. Damn it, this is brilliant.
She's such a potty mouth.
I'm so sorry. I'm learning to be a better person. Oh, chop, chop, chop.
Oh,
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! I'm crying.
Oh no!
Ah!
Whoa, girl.
Okay, I'm gonna pause.
Okay,
we're gonna pause.
clearly
and
she
she's
has
gonna do
never
this.
chopped an onion in her life
can
as
you
either.
stop the video?
Because this, okay,
Unacceptable.
when you chop an onion, maybe this is, I'm gonna blow your mind,
I literally
okay?
can't see right now. I'm crying so hard.
Yeah, my eyes are really watering.
I know, guys. It actually, I think it did the opposite. I think it's gonna make you cry hard.
Yeah.
Which I don't typically do it,
TikTok.
but-
TikTok's a liar.
No,
So
I-
basically-
I can't keep it together.
Basically, you just slice it and you just chop it
Chop
like it's hot. and
You
you
chop, chop. No,
You might as well just take it.
You chop, 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 chop. Get my tear.
Cheers.
Go and chop your own lettuce.
Oh my god, my eyes.
I'm gonna have to pause it. Look how bad she's crying.
We're back. Woo! Shannon's still having a moment.
I did.
You know,
I
she's
just
got out of a really good therapy session.
Yeah. We're gonna put oil in the pan. Oil in the pan.
So the next step is to put oil in the pan, and we're gonna saute our chopped onions.
Mm-hmm.
We're also going to saute
Myself.
minced garlic
Careful.
Okay.
and cumin. So you just put it all in this pan. The ingredients and the amounts of the ingredients will be in the description below, or the comment, not comment, caption.
Yeah.
On exactly how to make this and the amounts to use. And so we're just gonna
Where's
get
the
that
cumin? It puts the cumin in.
It puts the cumin in. And we're gonna do this, and we're gonna saute this for about 3 to 4 minutes.
Is that like
And
2 teaspoons?
After these messages, I said it'll be in.
Oh, you did. I know, but also
Yeah.
sometimes people
Mind your own
don't hear
business.
that.
Mind your own
I'm
business.
pouring the beans into the crock pot,
Yeah.
which has our onions and ground beef.
Turkey.
Does that help?
But that's
Oh.
perfect.
I mean, turkey.
Great job.
And then next is this, right?
These are chopped
Dun,
green
dun,
chilies.
dun, 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 dun.
Rotel, rotel,
Throw it on in. Let's go.
Get yourself another can and throw it on in
Hey,
again.
get it. Get it.
Stop.
Get it.
Back
Throw it
off
on in.
before you hurt your
Then you're going to add an entire box of chicken broth.
Oh, 4 cups because we doubled the recipe.
This.
There we go.
It's still going.
Yep.
Don't
sounds
stop
like
the
me.
pouring.
Yay! Yay! Yay!
Okay, so it's that. This
Okay,
is-
then we're gonna add, so we have in these little containers, we have 4 bay leaves. Add those, drop them on in.
Drop
the
it
leaves.
on in.
And then we have 2 teaspoons of chili powder and 2 teaspoons of oregano.
That makes this a little bit of kick.
And 1 fat can of pumpkin puree.
Woo!
It's a big boy.
It's a big boy. And then we're gonna add a couple of handfuls of spinach. That's the last step, and that is optional, but you can go ahead and do it because we got to get the greens.
I mean, why
on
not?
in.
Yeah.
After that, you put the lid on and you set it and forget it. And you let that chili cook, chili cook. White beans, seasonings, chicken broth, leafy greens. Chili cook, get it, kiwi.
Seasonings, collard greens, spinach. So this is hack number 2 from Nene. So this is how I separate it. I just take a fork, I hold the bunch together, and I just like take the fork and I do this right here like that. And at the,
All right now, that's pretty awesome.
It gets in there real deep light, and then you just like pull it off. And then when you're done, it smells so good too, for real.
I love cilantro.
But honestly, like, look
That's
at all that.
okay. That's a
I
pretty
know.
good
Well,
hack.
and there's like one little piece.
No, that's
here
a good
and there.
hack.
But honestly,
You
it
totally
really is.
redeemed yourself.
I did.
Oh, we're back. Then you put it in a bowl.
You do that.
My husband made this bowl.
A bowl is
Jeremy Kincaid. You can buy one for
$13.99.
Oh, I was gonna say $9.99, but I like it. Level it up. Level it up. Then you're gonna top it with whatever you want. We have some cilantro. Definitely gonna do some of that.
And everything is great in moderation. So let's put a little bit of Fritos in there. You want a little bit of Fritos?
Fritos. I like the freedom Fritos.
Freedom? Have freedom eating your Fritos.
Freedom. That's a good little song.
Oh, but also we have another song.
Oh,
This
what?
is
Mrs. Worldwide.
That's
Where'd she
right.
come from? We got some plain Greek
yeah, a
yogurt.
dollop.
A dollop of
Daisy.
A dollop
Thank
of
you.
Daisy.
Yeah.
And then we have some
get
cheese.
your-
Get your spoon and taste it.
Oh, here, you do this because I don't really
Like the
that.
sa-
There we go.
okay.
I've already had a
Tracy's.
bowl. It's super
Tracy's.
delicious.
Okay, ready?
Don't burn your tongue. Have you had it? Don't burn your tongue.
It's so good.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
That's really good.
Bitch, give me
That's
my bowl
actually
back.
really, really good.
Hey, and here's the moral of the story. We cooked our asses off. We ain't doing dishes though. I'm on the journey of my life. And hey, let's eat it now.
Yes.
You don't take it? That's beautiful.
I think that's a great
Peace
ending.
out, A-Town down.
And I just wanna know, do my sexy ladies run it?